Hello, and welcome to Geojit Spotlight. The year 2024 had started on a positive note, led by strong corporate earnings growth of FY24. After a modest trend during the pre-election period between Jan to May, the upside increased after the stable national election, resulting in a rebound of FII's inflows. The optimism continued till the end of Q3, post which it started to correct due to premium valuation of India compared to other emerging markets, emergence of China as a better investment option, and lately, the slowdown in domestic corporate earnings. But overall, the broad market has provided a decent return of 20%, of course, led by mid and small caps. What is our outlook for 2025? We expect calendar year 25 also to be positive, but foresee a subdued return of around 10% for the broad market. Indian economy is forecasted to strengthen its FY26 with real GDP growth of 7%, which is higher than the moderation of estimated 6.5 in FY25. This indicates calendar year 2025 should be good too. However, today's key hurdle for India is the high valuation, which will affect the performance of the domestic stock market in the short to medium term. Corporate earnings slowed in half-year FY25, but is forecasted to revamp from Q3 onwards. This will help, but it is uncertain that it will be comparable to what we saw the last 2-3 years. India's EPS growth is likely to moderate around 10 to 12% in FY25 and 12 to 14% in FY26. This is slower compared to the average growth of 20% seen during the year 2021 to 2024. Hence, this may lead to a moderation in India's valuation in the short to medium term. But on a positive note, Indian economy is likely to be the fastest and the largest, with a real GDP growth of 6 to 8% and a nominal growth of 10 to 11% in the decade, which does support the theory that India's valuation should be better compared to the other emerging markets in the long term. Hence, sectors and stocks which are exposed to high revenue growth will govern supreme valuation. Today, the world market key point of concern is Trumponomics, which we presume to be less volatile than experienced in the first Trump term during the period 2017 to 21. The reduction in global inflation, interest rate, reducing geopolitical risk like stoppage of Ukraine, Russia, Iran, Israel will prosper equity culture in 2025, which will of course support the Indian stock market also. My concluding message for 2025 is what I said during Diwali, to expect a moderation in returns and keep patience. With that, on behalf of Geojit, I wish you and your loved one a very prosperous 2025. Thank you.